Good day, students. In this class we will learn about Gauss Quadrature 3-point formula. This is also called as Gauss Legendre 3-point formula. Now the formula is given to be as I is equal to b negative a over 2 multiplied with w1 times f of x1 plus w2 times f of x2 plus w3 times f of x3, where we have w1 to be equal to, and w2 is 8 over 9 and w3 is equal to 5 over 9. So these are the constants for w1, w2, w3. Now having given you these constants, let me go to z1. Now z1 is used when we are evaluating x1. Now x1 is given to be as b negative a over 2 multiplied with z1 positive b positive a divided by 2. Now for this we have a z1 value of negative root of 3 over 5. My x3 is equal to b negative a over 2 multiplied with z3 positive b positive a over 2, where my z3 value is root of 3 over 5, and we got x2 has to be found. Now x2 is equal to b negative a over 2 multiplied with z2 positive b positive a over 2, and my z2 value should be actually equal to 0. z2 value is 0 and z1 is negative root of 3 over 5. Okay, so this is perfect. This is correct. Now we have to go and evaluate these values. Now foremost, what I wish to do is I would like to find b negative a over 2. My b is 2, my a is negative 2, so 2 positive 2 divided by 2, this is going to give you 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. So this is got. After we have got this, we will have to find what is w1 times f of x1. So for that I need to get the value of x1. Now x1 is equal to b negative a divided by 2. So that is 2 multiplied with z1. z1 is negative root of 3 over 5 plus b plus a divided by 2. This is going to be 0. So no point in evaluating that. So if I were to multiply this, this is going to be negative 2 times root of 3 divided by root of 5. So we can evaluate this value, right? So this is equal to negative, let me go and utilize my calculator. So root of 3 is 1.7321, this multiplied by 2, so that is giving me 3.4641 divided by root of 5. So this is equal to 2.2361. So 3.4641 divided by 2.2361, this is going to give me, let me write the value of x1. x1 is equal to negative 1.5491. now f of x1 is equal to e raised to the power of negative x1 squared divided by 2. So this is equal to e raised to the power of negative this value 1.5491. This has to be raised to the power of 2 and divided by 2. So I'm going to take 1.5491, and this is negative, right? So it doesn't matter, you square it, everything will become positive. So you take the square of this and you divide by 2 and you get e raised to the power of negative 1.1999. I need to get my x2. Now x2 is b negative a divided by 2 multiplied with z2 positive b positive a divided by 2. Now this is 0 already. Now z2 is equal to 0, right? If you remember, You see that z2 value is 0. So this goes off. This is 0 means this goes off. So x2 is equal to 0. So if x2 is equal to 0 means f of x2 is e raised to the power of negative of 0, which is equal to 1. So therefore w2 into f of x2 is equal to, w2 value is 8 over 9 times 1, which is 8 divided by 9. So you have to calculate that value, 8 divided by 9, that is giving an approximate value of 0.8889. so this is w2 times f of x2. So this is got. Next I need to calculate x3. So x3 is b negative a. Let me write that formula, times into z3 plus b positive divided by 2. This is 0. This one is 2 units multiplied with z2. Right, now what is my multiplied with z3? Now what is my z3? My z3 is root of 3 divided by root of 5. Now this is nothing but root of 3. I hope you can see, root of 3 multiplied by 2, and that is giving a value of 3.464, and this is divided by root of 5. So that is going to be 1.5491. okay, fair enough. So this is 1.5491. This is going to be my x3. Now we need to find f of x3, right? w3 into f of x3. So f of x3 is equal to e raised to the power of negative of 1.5491 squared divided by 2. Okay, I take the square first. Okay, 1.5491, I take the square first and I divide by 2, and I take the value e raised to the power of negative 1.199. okay, let me see what value I'm getting. So this is going to be exponent e raised to the power of negative 1.1999, and this is going to be 0.30122. Now a small element of correction. I was suspecting this value to have some inadequacies. The reason being, I think I missed this one out because I did not use that one. You see that e raised to the power of negative 1.1999. This is giving me a value of 0.30122. That should be the value. Okay, so I'm just taking that value out because by observation I see that there is a discrepancy in the outcome. So that would mean this value is going to be incorrect. So this is going to be 0.30122. So I will evaluate this value because my w3 is going to be the same here. So w3 of f of x3 is equal to, this is w3, my w3 is 5 over 9 multiplied with 0.30122. so I multiply this by 5 and I divide by 9. I get a value for this as 0.1673. So this is going to be 0.1673, and this is also going to be 0.1673. okay, so now let me go and substitute in the formula. So therefore the formula I is equal to b negative a over 2 w1 times f of x1 plus w2 times f of x2 plus w3 times f of x3 is equal to, this is 2 units, w1 f of x1 this is 0.1673 plus w2 into f of x2, that is 0.889 plus this value 0.1673. So let me add the 0.1673. I have to take that 2, multiply by 2 plus 0.8889. This is the value I'm getting. I'm multiplying by 2. You see that value? I'm getting 2.4471. 719, you move that 2.4472. Now let me show you the value that I got previously. This is by 2 point. Now this is by 2 point. You see that? And this is by 3 point. You see the value? 2.4472. Now believe it or not, this is very much closer to the expected value, very much closer. So I need to draw even further arrow. Now how do I know it? Because I have evaluated this using Python, and this value is very much close. So you know the difference between these two techniques. So I have just shown you 2 point and 3 point. Now clearly you can see 3 point is giving us more accurate result. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe.